Hey everybody, this is Snyder and welcome to my channel. I just wanted to go through something real quick of how I get an easy, fast, amazing home workout in. So I'm going to flip the camera around and I'm going to show you a few things. So this is what you call Beachbody On Demand. This is like their feed. You can go to Instagram or whatever and go on hashtag Beachbody On Demand or hashtag Shakeology and find out all about it. But so I am currently doing this program. It's called Lift 4. And I am actually on week 4. I'm starting week 4. I just got through week 3. So we're on Build It. Week 4, day 1, chest and tricep circuit. And it's so easy. There's calendars. I'll show you real quick. And this is how I know. You can print this off and it shows you. So I'm on week 4, so you can go through every day and have that. It's amazing. You can have this at your place, and if you're interested, I can help you get signed up. Let's go back because I already know I'm on week 4 because of that amazing calendar there, and we are on week 4, chest and triceps, and then you just hit play. It's that easy getting your workout in from home. Beachbody On Demand is pretty amazing, and I would recommend it to everybody. So if you're interested, I'll leave some links below, and we'll give you more information. But I'm gonna start getting my workout in. This is after the workout. Oh my gosh, it was hard. I'm not gonna lie. The hardest thing about it was we did 3 sets of 4 exercises each. So we went through, like, in the first set it was like chest press, it was tricep press, kickbacks, and I'm trying to think of the other one. I think and flies, chest flies. And so we did 10 reps. So we did 40 reps the first time, and then we did another 40, and then we did another 40. So 120 reps of chest stuff and tricep stuff in the first round, and we did a second round of different exercises, which was 120. And then after that, it was a burnout round where because we used our chest and our triceps. The burnout round was 30 seconds each of a push-up, which was really crazy, and I hardly could do a push-up. I pushed through it, and then the second one was a tricep push-up. And man, let me tell you, it will challenge you. This, I mean, I could barely, I could honestly say I could barely do a push-up, but I pushed myself so much that I got it done. These workouts are worth your time and effort and investment because they will help you work the body parts that you need to, or the sections of your body that you need to work out most, and they will get you the results you are looking for. And like me, I'm a dad and I'm home with 4 children all the time. It's an amazing way to get a workout in when you're just like me, busy, um, and have kids and just want to really work on your health and fitness. So I leave links below all the time, and it's ways that you can get in my groups. You can get you can find about the products, the supplements, everything that I share. And you can contact me either through the comments here, or if you get into one of the groups that I have in my links, you can message me there and just let me know how everything's going. And if you need help, that's what I'm here for. So, but anyways, today we got it done. Tomorrow we have back and biceps. And so look forward to another video coming up tomorrow. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Also, please share me with friends and family. Leave me comments. Also, share me with anybody that you know is struggling with their health and fitness. I would love to help them. Also, if you like my videos, please hit the like. Leave me comments, feedback. If you have any ideas of videos that I could do that might just help you, leave them in the comments. I would love to keep on making these videos and helping people out that need support with their health and fitness. So, but anyways, take care. God bless, and I love you guys. All right, have a great rest of your Sunday. Bye.